Today we're putting a 4-inch or 4.5-inch lift on this TJ. I believe it was a 2000 or a 2001 Jeep Wrangler 4.0 Sahara. So we just finished the front. It's on 35s, 1250 15s, Mickey Thompsons. And we're gonna start doing the rear. I might take a video of it after I'm done. So, it's really nice. 4x4 automatic. For the front, we need a couple of more parts for a complete install, like the sway bar end links and the track bar, adjustable track bar. The owner, I think, is gonna get that in the future, well, soon. And maybe extend the brake lines also, because they're gonna be pretty much maxed out on the flex. Look pretty good. Compared to how it was we measured it from here to the floor, and the fender flare was like down here, so it went up pretty high. We have the other two Mickey Thompson, so I guess it's a little bit of everything. So some of the parts, these are the old upper and lower control arms from the front and the coil. These are oh, and we also did the adjustable control arms, top and bottom. Still need to adjust the pinion angle. And we just have the lower adjustable for the rear.